How to set reminders in Outlook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Outlook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, here you can see there's this option of mail, calendar and apps. So simply what you need to do is tap on the calendar option. So as you tap on calendar, you'll be able to see there are different dates and different time zones over here. So if you want to set a reminder for the other day, so let's first select a date over here. So I'm going to select on a date and then tap on the time frame over here and then tap on this plus icon. So as you tap on this plus icon, here you can just select the title. So let's tap on it. And then here you can add people as well if you want. If not, then that's okay. After that, what you can do is simply tap on the date and here you can select the time and just make your customized time over here. You can just select the time and then tap on save at the top right corner. Here you can select the location as well if you want. If not, it's okay. If you want it repeated, then you can just select the location and you can also tap on repeat if you want. If not, that's okay. And then here in terms of alert, when you would want to be alerted, like 15 minutes before this time frame that you have selected or not. So you can just do that and then you can tap on save. And there you go, you have created an event and so has your reminder been set in Outlook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.